Who could replace Narendra Modi? It's a question that has sparked intrigue, speculation, and a fair share of controversy within India's political realm. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the charismatic leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP, has been at the helm of the world's largest democracy since May 2014. His rise to power has been nothing short of meteoric. From a humble tea seller to the Premier of India, his journey is a testament to his tenacity and political acumen. His tenure has been marked by a series of landmark reforms, including the Goods and Services Tax or GST, demonetization, and the ambitious Make in India initiative. Furthermore, his government has made significant strides in improving the country's infrastructure, digital connectivity, and sanitation under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. However, as the clock ticks toward the BJP's potential third consecutive election victory, speculation has begun to swirl around the future of Modi's leadership. An unofficial retirement age of 75 within the party has become a focal point of this discussion. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi's chief minister and leader of an opposition party, has suggested that Modi may step down next year due to this retirement rule. This assertion has stirred the pot within the BJP, igniting whispers of Modi fatigue and a leadership struggle. Kejriwal's proposed successor for Modi is none other than Amit Shah, the current Home Minister. However, Shah has refuted the retirement rule, stating that Modi would serve another full term. This debate has left a cloud of uncertainty hanging over the BJP, with the question of succession looming large. To summarize, the key points of contention revolve around Modi's potential retirement, the BJP's unofficial age rule, and the speculation about his successor. The proposed successors include Amit Shah, but the controversy within the BJP continues to escalate. As the world watches, it remains to be seen who will step up to fill the colossal shoes of Narendra Modi. One thing is certain: the transition will be anything but ordinary, just like the tenure of the man himself. The future of India's political landscape is an enigma, and the question remains, who could replace Narendra Modi?